Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
So this is SkyVoyager. This is our sort of pro iPhone app, or iPod app. I'll turn on the compass, right? So now as I move the phone around, you get this sort of live view of like the stars on the screen are what's really back there. So, you know, if you have a question about what is that in the sky, you can hold the phone up that way and you'll get. So I'll turn off the compass now, and to find out what an object is, you can tap on it. That gives you its name. Hit info down here. That gives you more information about it, facts and figures. For many objects, if I go to this description, you'll get this data. So history, properties, mythology. For many objects, you also have pictures. Let's find Mars. Search planets, Mars. I'll hit center. So there's Mars. If I zoom in on it, okay, so Mars is really small in the sky, right? But that view is, you know, that's a computer-generated, iPhone-generated view of what it looks like. If I go to our info, again, go to the description, here's like all the history of Mars, exploration of Mars, and also lots of pictures. So all of these blue links are, like that's the face on Mars, Viking image, then Mars Global Surveyor image. There's several hundred pictures in the program and more than 1,000 of these descriptions. So that's, you know, there's a lot of stuff in there. And the last thing is that the iPhone can control your telescope. And let me zoom back out here, but here's how this works. The iPhone uses Wi-Fi. The telescope uses a serial cable to connect. So this box is called SkyFi. This box translates the wireless communication to the wired communication to the scope. So to make that work, first I'm going to join our Wi-Fi network here. And I'm actually already joined up, but this is how you would do it. So this is like joining any other wireless network. It's called SkyFi. That's it there. So I'll go back to our app. Go to the scope controls, hit connect. And so that blue bullseye there, that represents where the scope is looking. So say I want to go look at, you know, this star here. Tap on the star, hit go to. And so now our scope, right.
So I plug in my iPhone into my Celestron and it'll...
Exactly.
What talks wirelessly to...
So I've just stopped it here. So but that's the idea. So the differences between our two apps are the expensive app has the telescope control. The less expensive app has no telescope control, and also the database in this version is limited to what you can see with your eyes, right? So this version has many, many faint stars, more information, like star clusters, nebulas that you can't see with your eyeballs. iTouch, okay, so the only difference, the main difference is that on the iTouch, there's no compass. So what that means is, let me go back down here.
And do I see it on your...
So on the iTouch, you'd sort of manually have to slide in, you know, like, okay, I know that I'm looking west, so like you have to know which way west is, right? You could carry a compass, right? But otherwise, you will get the up and down function. You just won't get the left-right function. So if you do have a phone that does have the compass, then you get both. So that's the main difference. So that's the quick idea.